all I would say to you is that I know when you're sitting there and you're getting all these assignments and you're working so hard, sometimes it's hard to see the forest through the trees. But take time to think, well, what are you doing, even in this position, to give back? Because a lot of times, you know, I know you're sitting there and you're like, well, listen, I got a lot of loans that I have to start paying off and I need a job and that's all important. But use the time that you have here in the most constructive way possible to make a difference. Because that's also very important. It's always so easy to just punt something, I'll get to it down the line, I'll do this, I'll do that. And it's very, very short-sighted. With great power comes great responsibility. And I know you don't probably see it right now sitting in this classroom, but you have an incredible power and incredible opportunity. One, you have a legal education. First, you have a college degree to get here. Most Americans don't have a college degree. I think it's still about 26% Americans have a college degree. So you're one of the 26%. And then it's about 1% to go get an advanced degree. So you're part of that 1%, 2%. This isn't about Mitt Romney. I'm not talking about the 1%. Okay? This is no political speech. All right? But you are part of that. Those folks that are going to get an advanced degree, a Juris Doctorate degree, a terminal degree, a doctorate in law. That is important. And it's an incredible responsibility. So you have a legal education, you're going to have a diploma, and you're going to get your law license. Or most of you will, if you take the bar exam. And hopefully you take it one time. I took it one time, I passed, and I was blessed. My wife went to Temple Law School. She had to take it twice. You know, it's part of life. She eventually went to one of the top firms in Philadelphia, where eventually we met after I served in the military, and now she's at PNC Bank, which I think is the 5th biggest bank in the country. So you don't know what the journey and where exactly the journey is going to take you, but I would just say to you that you are blessed to be here and blessed with the opportunity that you have. I remember talking to Professor Lee when I was here, and I was part of as he mentioned, I was first just active in the St. Thomas More Society, and it wasn't a very big, I think there was like 6 students in it, by the way. It sounds like it was great when I was president of it. I don't know how many students there are now. But I happen to be Catholic. I was, you know, the 1987 Altar Boy of the Year, so I think I had that going for me. My mother used to be at IHM, McElhart Mary Nun. Luckily for me, she left the convent, otherwise I wouldn't be here. But I was raised going to church every day. They had the St. Thomas More Society. I was used to be a lecturer in college and high school, and I was active in my local parish in Palmyra, and I said, well, what are you all doing? And I just helped out. And that's another part I want to share with you tonight, is that I understand the stresses that you have. You know, I do understand it's early October, so it's not late in the semester, so you're not that stressed out during final exams, but you're still stressed out. This is not an easy life. It's incredibly difficult. But go through this with a can-do attitude. If you have your 3 years here or beyond with the woe is me, it's going to be even difficult, because trust me, it's probably going to get harder for you. For those who are already juggling kids and family and spouse, it's already difficult. But when you have increased work responsibilities, it doesn't make it any easier. When you have clients that are counting on you, when you have clients that are begging for your help at all times of night, it's not going to get any easier.